What up guys, it's Jude, and in this video I want to show you how you can earn some free tokens on Bybit. So Bybit recently launched their Launchpool, and the Launchpool is a way for you to actually earn some token for free, and Bybit is starting with 500,000 bits ready for grabs on this exchange. So what I will do right now is to actually share my screen and show you how you can do that. So let's start with what Bybit, the exchange, is. If you go to CoinMarketCap and you click on exchanges here, right, and you scroll down, you see that Bybit is currently at number 17. It was at number 8 when I checked last. So if Bybit is fluctuating from from top 20 to top 10, it means it's actually a pretty good exchange, right? An exchange being in the top 50 means that exchange is actually good, but being in the top 20 means it's really good. So let's head over to the site. Before you can participate in this airdrop, you have to register with Bybit, right? And my link is in the description. So make sure you use my link to register on Bybit. So Bybit have this DeFi center, just like DeFi center on some other exchanges. If I click on it, you will see that down here, you have the Bybit Launchpool. So Bybit Launchpool allows you to stake and harvest tokens for free. So you earn for free. The tokens you stake can be on stake anytime. The first project on the Launchpool allows you to stake bits and earn bits. So you're going to stake bits. Bits is the name of the token. There's 500 available, and you also earn bits. You can sell it on the spot market on Bybit. You have spot market and withdraw it to cash it out anytime you want. So how this is going to happen is that this 500,000 bits is going to be shared in 14 days. It means that every day about 35,000 something bits is going to be distributed, and the way it's going to be distributed is this. So the bit you staked divided by all the bits that was staked by everybody multiplied by the bits that is going to be given out that particular day, which is about 35,700 or thereabout. So this is a quantity you are going to get, and currently it's about 30% APY. So that's what you get right now, because a lot of people are staking. So you should go ahead and stake, and it has already started. So you should go ahead and do that. It's pretty simple. If I click on find out more, so you can get more details, right? So about this Bybit Launchpool, right? Okay, traders, are you ready to grow your wallet balance for free? Introducing Bybit Launchpool, the latest entrance to the DeFi center, where you can stake and earn tokens for free with the highest percentage yield in town. The first project hosted in the Bitpool, is the Bitpool, right? This started on the 28th of September and it's going to end on the 12th of October. That is 14 days. So you can click here to get started. To get started, you just have to create a Bybit account, right? Put some coin there, buy bits with that particular coin, then come here and stake it, and you start earning for these 14 days. So if you are starting right now, I think I missed about 2 days, but you can start earning from today, right? Then apart from this Launchpool in the DeFi center, there's a lot actually. There's a lot that Bybit is offering. So if I go back to the DeFi center, you see that this is a Launchpool which is recent. You still have the dual asset mining, right? Which you can earn up to 295. So this is 295% APY, 281% APY. So these are actually really good. This is Uni, this is ETH USDT. So this is actually good. So this one means that you have to stake like these tokens, and this is sold out. This is sold out, and this is available, and this is just 1 day, right? This is actually 1 day, which is really impressive considering the APY. Then you also have the DeFi mining. All right, you can earn 11 to 13%. this is sold out and this is still available. You also have the cloud mining, up to 407% APY. This is actually really good. So this is just for 7 days. After 7 days, you get your money and you get your return as well. So this is the Bybit launch pool and the Bybit Center. It's actually a very good opportunity if you want to earn some free tokens. It's a way for you to earn some free tokens. So cryptocurrency is the blockchain of the crypto world is information flows, and you can take advantage of anyone you want to take advantage. And that is Bybit. They also have sports. Here you can see sports. They also have derivative and a bunch of others. So they will do a lot of other things on Bybit. And for now, that is how you can take part in the 500,000 bits available on the Bybit Launchpool program right now. My name is Judeumeano and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Like the video if you enjoy the information. Click the bell icon to get more, to get notified when I release my next video. That said, I will see you in the next one. Bye.